Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is good, family? It's your homie Bigg Vic, and we are back with another video. So it is a beautiful Thursday. What I want to do for you guys, I want to show you something that I don't think I've shown before on YouTube. Maybe I've talked about it before, but I've never shown this before. So I have created for myself and my family an incredible life thus far, mainly for 2021. 2021 has been nothing short of amazing for me. Since February 11th, since my authority went active. But before that, I had some things in place that I talked about, probably earlier in my channel, my YouTube channel days. But I want to show you guys what I have that contributed to a lot of my success, and to show you guys what I have in place. So this is something that you can do. Like, this is something that you can go start doing today. You can start doing this today if you haven't done it already. Some of you guys are familiar with it. Some of you probably have done it already. Some of you probably have this tool in place. I call it my secret sauce behind everything that I do. And it's something I wake up to every single morning. It's something that I see every single morning before my day gets started and before I go to bed. That's what I'm gonna do. We gonna get right to it. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Let's do it. Besides me taking all out massive action, this is my vision board. If you do not have one of these, you need to go today. Now, I'm serious. You need to go out today and get you a vision board. Create you a vision board. Go online, print off things that you envision for yourself. Places that you want to go. If you look at just look at my vision board for a second. Look at my vision board for a second. You guys know I travel all the time. Why is that? It says keep calm and travel the world. I already envisioned this stuff. Like, I already saw this. If you know anything about the law of attraction, you would have one of these in place right now. Like, you would be doing this. Literally, you would have one of these in your crib, on your refrigerator, in your room, wherever you have to put it at, wherever you have to see this. You see it. Look, guys, look. This is incredible. I'm so amazed every morning that I wake up and I look at the things that I have on my vision board, and the universe has to respond to you when you make your vision plain and you get very specific on what you want in life. You have to see it every single day. Look, this is I got this offline. I went and found a PayPal account that had numbers that I needed to see, for my bank account, for my PayPal account. And guess what? My PayPal account is on the rise. It's so funny when I wake up and I look at this, because I'm like, yo, let me put this on my vision board. Boom. Look what I put on my vision board. 100,000 subscriber reward. I'm literally on track for this stuff. When I did this, I think I had about maybe a little under 10,000 subscribers when I created my vision board. I think maybe I have 7,000-8,000 subscribers, and it was just music, just music content. This is me on stage. This is what I already envisioned. This is me talking to people. This is me consulting with people. See, you are the most influential person you will talk to all day. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. This is what I be talking about. When you change your mind, you change your life. This is another account. See, these are just different accounts. This has over 10 million in it. You gotta dream big. And see when you start manifesting things like this and putting your vision in front of you every day, how you want to be, who you want to become, you have to really become a different person to manifest a certain lifestyle, to create a certain lifestyle. And it just so happened I ran into a lady when I was in Connecticut. I believe we were there maybe Christmas or something like that last year. A vendor in the mall, she creates these positive sayings every day and she hands them out. And she gave me this one. She says 1,044 minutes in a day. You have 1,440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. You are powerful. How powerful is that for her to hand me that? And this is how I think already. When you change your mind, guys, you change your life. You know, I pass a company that makes these about, anytime I go out to Appleton, Georgia, there's a Bentley pontoon company, and I'm going to buy a pontoon. I want one of these. I've rented them several times and, took the family out on the water and we had fun and, all that good stuff. But I want to personally buy one. As y'all can see, this is one of the most sexiest cars in the country right now. This is the Lexus LC 500. Go look this thing up. This is so incredible right here. This is the car I went and sat in on the channel when I said sometimes you got to go sit in your vision. Go sit in it. I'm just trying to find the right color, to be honest with y'all. So you already see it on my vision board, so you know what that means. Just like that. It's mine. See, this is the part where people complain about this, the pain of the process. Don't complain about the pain of the process. It's only temporary. It's only temporary. I went through the pain of getting the authority, setting everything up for my trucking company, for my business. This was just a small portion of what I had to do to get this business up and running. But guess what? But the feeling of achievement lasts forever. The feeling of achievement lasts forever. So when I wake up to this lifestyle that I created for myself and my family, it feels amazing, guys. It feels amazing. It feels amazing to wake up and just for the entire day, I'm just doing consultations. Something I always said I wanted to be doing. I just want to get up, consult or coaching, whichever one that was. Take a good look at this. You know what's so incredible about this? There's videos that have started popping up in my feed about TEDx talks. Me being on stage, doing my TEDx talk. See, y'all family, so I'm letting y'all in on some behind the scenes stuff on how I operate outside of the truck. This is some of the things that I have going on when I'm not in the truck. These are things that I have working for me. This is what I have working for me right here. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing right here. I'm telling you, go create you a vision board. Get you a vision board. Get very clear on what you want, guys. Get very clear on what it is that you want. And you can have it. It's yours. You can have it. I'm literally a walking example of someone who created their vision board, and now those things have manifested in my life for me. It wasn't really hard. I just knew what I wanted. Get clear on what you want. Get very, very clear on what you want, guys. Listen, you guys can create one of the most incredible lifestyles that you ever dreamed or imagined you wanted. This is actually my second vision board. This is not my first vision board. That's my second vision board. My first vision board had and what I wrote down on my ideal day basically had, I described this house that we purchased. I described this house, the house with the balcony. I got the balcony out there. This is the house that I described. So when I walked into this house, I knew exactly this was the house that we were supposed to buy. Now I'm on to another vision. I got another vision, another house vision. So this was cool. I liked it. I loved it. It was a great place, but the vision has enlarged. The vision has grown since then. You know, when you get to a certain point in life, and when you continuously are a person that's growing, you want to keep manifesting new things. Let me see what I can manifest next. That's me. The law of attraction. The law of attraction. When you set intentions, when you become intentional about what you want, you begin to manifest things into your life. So be careful what you think about. Because listen, what you think about, you bring about. That's why you can't be playing around, talking crazy. Because your subconscious mind doesn't know what's real and what's fake on what's coming out of your mouth. So be very careful of what you spit out of that pink tornado. Yeah, that right there, that tongue, that's a pink tornado. Life and death comes out of it. Comes out of this right here. Believe it. Believe it. Be very careful what you say. Guys, listen, go get you a vision board. Create that vision board. Put you a vision board together. This has been the secret sauce beside all of the action that I have taken in my business, in my life, to help me make a shift and to help me create my dream lifestyle. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Some of you that have already been manifesting certain things into your life, positive things into your life, you guys know what I'm talking about. Go create your vision board. You want that 6-figure life? Get that vision board. Create that vision board. Get in the game. Start playing the game. Life is beautiful. All right? If you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. We dropping gems as always. Y'all know I'm gonna drop the gems on y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the inside. We give y'all the inside of what's going on out here, all right? And we keeping it all the way 1,000. I would never tell y'all anything that I have not done myself, that has not worked for me. You feel me? So we're not out here just spitting just anything to the people. Not Bigg Vic, not I. All right? And anything that I talk about, I've done. You feel me? That's why y'all love the content. All right, let's get it. It's your man, Bigg Vic TV. Always hustle. Never stop growing until the next video. Y'all know what to do. Peace.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.